We had confirmed an interview with Barbecue. Barbecue had approved us, and we had safe passage until a group of corrupt security set us up. Corrupt police officers in this country set us up and set up an ambush on us to kidnap us. So, really just a horrible country.
They said you were in Camp Asian too. What were you doing over there?
Yeah, I was actually trying to see the nice part before I came and interviewed the gang. So I wanted Sean, you can show him again.
Yeah.
I wanted Sean to show me all of Haiti. I don't just go to a country and interview the gang people. I like to see the entire country. And I went and I saw the nice part of Haiti. I saw the beautiful water. I went to the islands. I have footage of that too. But I came mainly to interview Barbecue. And I realized how horrible of a country this country actually is.
So did you talk to Barbecue when you were getting into hostage?
No, did not speak to Barbecue at all because we did not want to snitch.